Good evening, all. Jai Jagannath. Good evening. Very good evening to all of you. Jai Jagannath. Let's start. Let's start. Hope my voice is audible to all of you. Am I visible? So with the thumbs up so that I can start. Dear students, yes. Let's start. All of you know today's chapter is what? Today's chapter is clock. Or you can say this is also time. Yes. Let's start. Or this is also, you can say better time. Okay. As all of you have done this chapter in class 1, class 2, and now beta it is class 3. Okay. So let me give you some idea about the class 1 and class 2. Then we can go to class 3 so that you can relate. So first, basically, all of you know clock has one face, right? Clock has one face. This thing you have learned in your UKG or class 1. Yes or no? So face can be, any shape will be there, right? Can be circle, can be square, or can be rectangle. Anything can be there, right? आपके घर में अभी clock होगा. You can see where the clock is. Okay. And all of you know the clock has, hands. How many hands clock has? All of you know. Yes, tell me clock has how many hands? Who can tell me? Generally, all of you will tell that 3 hands, right? So we will consider generally 2 hands and another one hand is also there. So one first hand. Okay. The first hand is called the long hand. Right? All of you know now this long hand. And this long hand is called beta what? Minute hand. All of you know this is called beta minute hand. Right? Very good. Then so now shorthand. Those who are getting bored, you can leave from the class. Directly, I cannot go to the question. And shorthand is called R hand. Taruleta Malik, yes. So it is called R hand. If you are getting bored from the theory, you can leave. No issues, beta. But मैं तो अपने strategy में ही class लेती हूँ. Because for me, always thing is concept. I never run after the question. Okay. If your concept is clear, any kind of questions will be there. You can go through. And request to all the parents, please tell to your child to be comfortable in the question, concept. Not only in the question. Suppose today I will give you 10 questions. After that, I can change and the similar question will be there, but the child cannot attempt that question. Why? Because conceptually he or she is not clear. Okay. So always the best thing is to clear the concept. अभी क्लास 3 में हो अगर कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं क्लियर करोगे तो आगे क्या करोगे? All of you see this is long hand is called minute hand and the short hand is called what? R hand, right? And और एक hand है बेटा टिक 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 करता रहता है. Yes or no? Like you. Like the summer vacation is going on from one room to another room. Just you are roaming, right? Same thing this, the very small hand is doing. This is with a second hand. I told you I will do the quick revision of, class 1 and class 2. Then I will go to class 3. Just to remind you whether all of you know everything or not, right? So now all of you see this is our hand and the minute hand. Now In a clock, how many numbers are written? All of you know? The numbers, how many numbers are written? It is 12 numbers, Vida. Always remember that is 1 to 12, right? Sometime in a clock like a 12, then 3, then 6, then 9. That is also written. Some, numbers are not written, but you can assume it's a 1, then 2. That different pattern of, clock is there. Or sometime you can see some Roman numerals, okay? Like I, double I, triple I, IV. It is also written on the clock. So it is like a different kind of, clock. But basically what the clock will do, clock will show you the time. So now how the clock is going to show you the time, let's go for always remember. This is your clock, right? So it is like 12, then 3, 6, and this is 9 beta. Okay. See, 12, 3, 6, and 9. Then you see. So it is here. Always remember. See, beta, the minute hand. All of you see, beta, minute hand. Some concept is there. So some notes I'm giving you. So please, all of you write down and please be comfortable. Okay. So minute hand and that the long hand. If the minute hand or the long hand is at 12, then what we will tell the time, beta? Do you know? Always remember this is called beta o'clock. This is the concept I'm always teaching in class 1. This is the simple concept of o'clock. Always remember when the minute hand is at 12, beta. It is always remember it is called o'clock. So now see, suppose, now see the hour hand is at 3. So what time is now? The time is, beta, how you will say that is 3 o'clock. This is o'clock concept. That is the first concept of clock. That is 3 o'clock. So you can write like this also, beta. This is 3 o'clock. Suppose digital clock is there. You can see the digital clock. It is written like 3 o'clock like this, 3 dot dot and 00. This is digital clock. Suppose the hour hand is at 4. You can say 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So this is the simple concept of, o'clock, right? This is simple as that o'clock concept. And whenever you will see that the minute hand is at 12, you have to say o'clock and you need to check where that the hour hand is there. Accordingly, you can tell the time, right? So this is very simple. Now all of you tell me, one day is how many hours, beta? One day is how many hours? This is 24 hours. And 1 hour, all of you know, 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour is 60 minutes. And 1 minute. Yes, very good. So many answers. 1 minute is 60 seconds. These are the very basic thing that all of you know, right? Good evening, those who have joined now. Good evening, all. Very good evening. Jai Jagannath to all of you. Yes. So now, see, it is simple concept and we have to remember. Okay. So now we'll go to the clock where you will go with the timing of 5 minutes concept. So as all of you know, this is o'clock thing. So let me show you something different. Yes, it is visible to all of you, right? See, this is the clock part. All of you can tell me what is the time now? Quick, fast. Because this is very easy question. I already told you I will start with, class 1. 1 o'clock, right? This is 1 o'clock. You can write like this. Yes or no? Very good. Next, all of you see. All of you give me the answer. See, it is the hour hand is at 9 and the minute hand is at 12. So it is called beta 9 o'clock. It is called 9 o'clock. Then all of you see the hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand is at 12. So it is called what beta? This is called 7 o'clock. Very good. Now all of you can check what is the time. The hour hand is at 6 and the minute hand is at 12. So it is called beta 6 o'clock. All of you can see what is the time now. The hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. We'll say beta 5 o'clock. All of you see what is the time now? The time now is 12. The hour hand and the minute hand both had as 12. So it is 12 o'clock. Now, it is some activity that I have to draw. That is not the Olympiad question, but these are the some, activity I can do that you see as it is 5 o'clock. Always remember you need to do like this. This is 12 and this is 5. This is 5 o'clock and this is you can say 11 o'clock beta. This is 9 o'clock. So I have to draw like this. Okay. Is that clear? So this was simple activity beta. Some more questions are there, but I'm going to skip and I'm not going to draw. Now come to the part here. Now see the o'clock is done, but हमेशा तो o'clock नहीं होगा ना बेटा. The minute hand has to move. The minute hand cannot be there at 12 always. The minute hand is at 12 means it is o'clock. So now the minute hand has to move from 12 to 1. Okay, 12 to 1. So how we will do? So all of you know, right? All of you know that 1 hour, already I told you beta, 1 hour is 60 minutes. Listen to me carefully beta. You know all that 12. Suppose the minute hand is at 12. So minute hand will make a complete rotation beta. Complete rotation means what beta? Minute hand will come to 12 to 1, then 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then again the minute hand will reach at 12. आप कभी क्लॉक देखे होंगे कि कोई भी हैंड बेटा एक जगह पे कांस्टेंट नहीं रहता. According to the time, the hand has to move beta. The long hand, the minute hand has to move. So minute hand will complete one rotation. How much time the minute hand will take, The minute hand will take 60 minutes. That 1 hour, right? So minute hand will, complete one rotation in 60 minutes. That means minute hand, all of you see the minute hand will move from 12 to 1, then 2, again it will come to 12. That means minute hand has to complete 1 to 12 number. That is complete rotation beta in 60 minutes. So now you see beta, from complete 12 numbers, if the minute hand is completing in 60 minutes, then one number to another number, how much time the minute hand will take? So what to do? What to do? This is a concept of beta division. I hope all of you know division. Suppose you don't know the division. Suppose, okay, you have just, come to the class 3 and suppose your teacher has not taught you division in class 2. Then let me tell you how to do this. Because my target is to clear your concept beta, right? Suppose just think beta, suppose your birthday is there. It is your birthday is there and mama has given you 60 chocolates. Mama has given you 60 chocolates. And you have invited your 12 friends, beta. Mama told you, beta, you divide the 60 chocolates equally among your friends, beta. You have 12 friends, you have to give equal number of chocolates to your 12 friends. But now you don't know what is the division, how to do the division. So you thought what to do. So some games I'm telling you to play. What games? So 12 friends are there. So what you can do? You have a chocolate box. Give one chocolate to everyone, right? So they will also enjoy and they will be also surprised that how many chocolates, and they will be excited to know how many chocolates they are going to get. Suppose we are going to give one chocolate to each friend, beta. How many chocolates will you give? 12. So see, if you are giving 12 chocolates, then how many chocolates are left, beta, with you? That is 48. So now also again you have 48. So what you will do? Second round, you will give second chocolate, beta. See, this is 60 again. What you are giving 12 chocolates means 48 minus 12. How many chocolates left, beta? 36. Then again you see, suppose you are giving again third chocolate, right? Third chocolate you are going to give. So see, beta, this is third chocolate you are going to give. So 36 minus 12. How many chocolates are left, beta? 24. Then suppose you are giving fourth chocolate. So 24 minus 12, it is 12. So now you have only 12 chocolates with you. Last 5 number of chocolate if you are going to give everyone, then 12 minus 12, you will have 0 chocolates with you. So see, beta, each friend, how many chocolates they got, beta? 5 chocolates. So you can say, beta, 60 divided by 12, it is 5. Suppose you know the division, this is the direct answer, beta. Suppose you don't know the division. मुझे तो अभी division आपको नहीं पढ़ाना है. मुझे आपको minute concept पढ़ाना है. So I gave you this thing. So all of you know, this is simple, beta, repeated subtraction. Always remember, beta, repeated subtraction is called, beta, division. कोई भी चीज को हमें समझना है, राइट? पता है, नहीं पता है, आगे पता चलेगा, but you should be cleared. Nothing like that you will mug up it. That mama told 5, so you will just go for 5. No, I told you how to get the 5. See, you got the 5, and always remember, beta, repeated addition is called multiplication. See, you got the thing. So now simple funda you apply. Complete 12 numbers. Minute hand is going to rotate in 60 minutes. So from one number to another number, how much time the minute hand is going to take, beta? It is 5 minutes. That's why this is called, beta, 5 minutes concept. Now all of you got it. How I got this 5 minutes? Show me the thumbs up. Give me a smile. Yes. See, beta, this is 5 minutes. So now I'm going to erase this. One important thing is again, beta, table. You should, all of you should comfortable in 5 table, right? 5 table means multiplication table, I'm telling you. Okay. Multiplication table. So 5 table is needed here. Okay. But as all of you are in class 3, I will tell that you should comfortable up to 20 tables. किसका किसका तक 20 tables हो गया? It's very good. Suppose you have done up to 10, try to do 12, then 15, then 18, then 20, beta. Right? So now all of you see, beta, how to go for this minute concept. See, if the minute hand is at 12, we'll always say, beta, o'clock. And when the minute hand is at 5, what time is it? You know how to do it? 5 into 1, this is 5. Then it is 2, so it is 5 into 2. What time is it? It is 10 minutes. If it is 5 into 3, we'll say 15 minutes. All this is minutes, beta. So this is all 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Then this is, just a minute, all the messages are coming. Yes, it is really meaningful, beta. and it is useful. So it is 5 into 4, beta. It is 20 minutes. Then 5 into 5, 25 minutes. 5 into 6, it is 30 minutes. 5 into 7, 35 minutes. 5 into 8, it is 40 minutes. 5 into 9, 45 minutes. 5, sorry, this is 5 into 9, this is 5 into 10, it is 50 minutes. It is 5 into 11, it is beta 55 minutes. All of you see 5 into 12, it is 60 minutes, but we are not going to say 60 minutes. We'll say this is, o'clock. Are you getting me? It is called o'clock, right? This is called o'clock. Then see, it is the time. Suppose now if I will tell you the minute hand, the hour hand is in between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is at 6. What time is it now? All of you tell me. What time is now? See, when it is in between 2 and 3, always remember it is 2. Then as it is at 6, minute hand is at 6 means 5, 6 are 30. So it is beta 2:30. All of you see, this is called beta 2:30. Is that clear? It is called 2:30. Another question, then I will show you some clock also. This is beta class 2 things I'm doing beta. I told you, I never go to the class 3 directly. I always prefer that you should conceptually clear 1, 2, I'm convinced, then I will go to class 3. Now all of you see, just a minute. So now all of you see it is 2:30. Suppose the hour hand is in between 8 and 9. All of you see. The hour hand is in between 8 and 9 and the minute hand is at, 10. And it is very close to 9 beta. So what is the time now? All of you tell me what is the time now? Yes, what is the time now? It is 8:50. It is as in between 8 and 9. So it is very close to 8 beta. It is very close to 8. So it is in between and the minute hand is at 10 means it is 50. Is that clear all of you? All of you are cleared? So now one more question I love to give you that always remember as we know the minute hand, complete one rotation in 1 hour, one rotation in 1 hour. So can you tell me in one day the minute hand can do how many rotations? Can all of you tell me what is the answer? How many rotation can complete by the minute hand in one whole day? Tell me. One whole day, how many times? All of you see, we know in one day, see beta, one day it is 24 hours. And as it is taking complete to 1 hour to complete one rotation, and in one day, 24 hours is there. That's why the minute hand will complete 24 rotation. Answer is 24. Very good. So another thing, always remember when the minute hand will complete this one rotation, it is taking 1 hour, right? So then the hour hand in that time, the hour hand will move 1 to 2. Okay. Always remember when the minute hand will complete the rotation, the hour hand will move to one number to another number. That means hour hand is taking move to one number to another number. Suppose 1 to 2, the hour hand will take, 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. So now the question is, beta, again the whole complete rotation. The hour hand is going to complete in how many hours? The complete rotation, the hour hand is going to complete in 12 hours. Okay. All of you remember, minute hand is completing in 1 hour, but the hour hand will complete the complete rotation in 12 hours. Okay. So in one day, how many rotation the hour hand will do? Hour hand will do the complete rotation. Always remember that is 2 times, only 2 times. Okay. But the minute hand, 24 times. This is one of the important question, beta. Maybe it will come in your exam. Yes, okay. It can come in your school exam also or in Olympiad also. Remember, this is point to be noted. Minute hand will take 24 times rotation, but hour hand will take, can do 2 times full rotation. Is that clear? Very good. I'm trying my best to give you the main important things, beta. Because I cannot take, because generally clock I used to take 3-4 classes, but here as I'm taking free classes, I'm trying my best to give you the main points. Okay, so now next, all of you tell me what is the time. All of you see the time, it is showing 11:10. All of you send me the time, do fast. When will we will do the question, beta? Without theory, how can I go to the questions, beta? I already told you, do not run after the questions. Tell me the time. Do fast. It is 10:20. That is 11:10, 10:20. Next clock. Next clock. Very good. 5:10. Next clock. Yes, very good. Very good. 3:50. Yes. Now all of you check. It is not 4:50. All of you check. It is like in between 3 and 4. All of you can check. It is 3 and 4. So it is 3:50, not 4:50. Next, it is again not 2:35. It is 1:35. All of you check. The clock is just nearer to 2. So it is 1:35. 2:35 is a wrong answer. Yes. All of you check. It is 7:05. All of you check. What is the time now? Yes, it is in between 5 and 6 and the hour hand is at 8. And we know 5 eights are what? 40. So it is 5:40. All of you check. It is, the time is 6:55. All of you can check the last clock. Time is 6:55. Now come to the part, next point. All of you know this time, this time is, it is 5:15. You can say this is 5:15. Or you can say, beta, 15 minutes past 5. 15 minutes past 5. All of you know this 15 minutes. 15 minutes is called what, 15 minutes is called quarter. Why quarter? Because 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. All of you see this 60 minutes. So if you will divide 60 minutes in 4 part, beta, see 15 minutes plus 15 minutes plus 15 minutes, then 15 minutes, beta. This is 60 minutes. So 15 minutes is a part of this quarter. I already told you, means part of this 60 minutes. Last fraction, I have explained you about the quarter. That suppose this pizza, if you are dividing in 4 parts, so 1 part is called beta quarter. Like clock, this is 15 minutes, 15, 15 and 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is quarter of the 60 minutes. Or you can say 1/4 of 60 is 15 minutes. So this 15 minutes is called beta quarter. So what we will say beta this time, we'll say quarter past 5. Sometime in our option beta 15 minutes या 5:15 ऐसे नहीं होगा. Suppose in our clock quarter past 5 is written, so the answer is correct. Always remember this is a concept of quarter past. Okay. Now come to the another concept. All of you see this is the time is, all of you can check, this time is beta 8:30. And 60 minutes, if you will make it half, that is 30 minutes and 30 minutes, beta. So this 8:30 is called half past 8, right? Half past 8. Is that clear? That 15 minutes is called quarter past and 8:30 means 30 minutes is called always half past. तो option में देखना बेटा, अगर quarter past, half past, this type of options are there. Do not be confused. Okay. Now go to the next part. All of you see the time. What is the time now? This time is beta 4:45. 4:45. Or I can say 45 minutes past 4. Or other way around, what we can say, आप अगर हिंदी में बोलोगे आप क्या बोलोगे बेटा? मामा 4:45 के बदले आप क्या बोलोगे? मामा 5 बजने में 15 मिनट कम है, राइट? और 5 बजने को और 15 मिनट है. ओडियारे कौन कहबो बेटा? मामा 5टा बजियाको आउ 15 मिनट अछि. That means 15 minutes to 5 o'clock. ओडियारे कहबो ना आउ 15 मिनट अछि. मु सेति टाइम खेली दिए तापरे पढेबी, राइट? So always you try to convince your mother for that 15 minutes, right? ये जो 1 minute और 15 minutes वो हमेशा बच्चों के पास रहता है. Anything you will tell, मामा 1 minute. और पढ़ाई के लिए बोलो मामा आप 15 मिनट ही जाओ तापरे मु पाठ पढ़ेबी, राइट? एटाई को ना मामा को. So now all of you see that means this 15 minutes to what? 5. This is 4:45. आउ 15 मिनट हेले 5टा बाजी जीवो. So other way around, how you will write here? This is beta quarter. You know quarter means 15 minutes. Quarter to 5. Is that clear? Yes, it is quarter to 5. Suppose I will tell you 8:45. What you will you say beta? Quarter to 9. Okay, if I will give you like 2:45, you will say what? Quarter to 3. Quarter to 3 माने 9टा बाजिबाकू 15 मिनट, 3टा बाजिबाकू 15 मिनट. 9 बजने में और 15 मिनट है, 3 बजने में और 15 मिनट है, right? Or now suppose I'm giving you 6:45. It is always remember quarter to 7. I hope it is clear. Done up to class 2. Now we'll go to class 3. अभी आप बोलोगे आपने मैम 40 मिनट्स पढ़ा दिया 1 2. यस, बिकॉज मेन एबीसीडी तो मैंने आपको सिखा दिया. अभी थोड़ा सा हमें वर्ड लिखना है. All of you are clear? Show me the thumbs up. All of you see this, all this. You can say this is quarter to 7. The next clock you will say quarter to 8. This clock is showing quarter to 9. Sorry, this clock is showing, all of you see this is quarter to 6. Because this is 5:45. This is quarter to 7. This clock is showing quarter to 8, beta. All of you see quarter to 8. Done? Now, all of you see question time. Do fast. All of you do fast. Which clock shows 5 minutes past 10 o'clock? This clock is showing 5:10. This is showing 5:10, 10:25. This clock is showing 9:55. Option number D. This is showing with a 10:05. 5 minutes past 10 means it is 10:05. Option number D. Very good. All of you see which clock shows quarter to 2 o'clock. Quarter to 2 o'clock. This is showing with a 1:40. This is showing quarter past 1. This is showing quarter to 2. This one showing 1:30. Answer is option number C. Very good. Answer number C. Now all of you remember this concept. If 2 is 14, then dash is dash. How you will do, beta? When it is 12 o'clock, beta, we'll say 12. When it is going to 1 p.m., we'll always say 13. 13 means always remember, beta, 1 p.m. So like 14, if we are writing like this in digital clock, this is called beta 2 p.m. If it is 15, it is called beta 3 p.m. So like that. So whenever you are getting any number like this, how to get this number? Always remember how it is 13 minus 12. So you are getting 1. So this is 1 p.m. Like 15, if I'm doing minus 12, so you are getting 3 p.m. Same thing, beta, 20, do the minus 12. So it is coming what? 8 p.m. So always remember 8 p.m. is called this 20. Like this, beta. Okay. And suppose it is 22 p.m. 22 p.m. means it is you do have to minus 22 minus 12. So it is 10 p.m. So suppose you need to write 10 p.m. 10 p.m. How will you write, beta? 22. Like this. So it is answer is 8 p.m. So now this concept will do. After that, that concept will do. Yes. All of you see something, it is like that. So for this, you should be comfortable in addition and subtraction of clock. Addition and subtraction will take 2 classes generally. Okay. So you need to do the practice. So what addition and subtraction you can do? Now all of you see, beta, the clock shown below is running late. So the clock is running late with the actual time. Whatever the actual time is there, उससे clock जो है वो late जा रहा है. So something is late. So what we have to do? उसको थोड़ा fast करना है because it is going late. तो थोड़ा उसको आगे करोगे. So always remember when the clock is running late, What you have to do? You have to do the addition. Always remember you have to do the addition. क्योंकि कुछ कम है उसको थोड़ा आगे करना है. आगे means you are doing the sub addition. So now all of you see the clock is showing time is what? It is showing time is 5:10. But actually this is the wrong time. Why it is the wrong time? Because the clock is running late by 10 minutes. मतलब और ज्यादा टाइम हुआ है और ये लेट जा रहा है. So what you have to do? You have to go fast by 10 minutes. तो अभी जो क्लॉक रन लेट हो रहा है हमें क्या करना है? उसको फास्ट करना है. So we need to do the addition. So simple बेटा, what you will do? 5:10 उसमें और 10 minutes ऐड करोगे. So how it is coming? It is coming 5:20. So actual time is 5:20, but the clock's own time is what? The clock's own time is 5:10. So just you need to remember, beta, when the late concept question is given means you have to do the addition. Because कुछ एक चीज late हुआ है उसको आगे करना है. So something you have to do the fast means you need to add, right? So that is addition. Okay. So answer is option number C. Now all of you see, again the clock is running late by 25 minutes. The clock is showing time is what, beta? 10:25. All this AM is written, so I'm going for AM. So all of you know, this 25, the 25 minutes late means what I told you, you need to add another 25 minutes. So the clock actual time is 10:50. 10:50 है वो late से जा रही है. So that's why it is showing 10:25. So basically your actual time is 10:50. And all of you know when it is 12 midnight beta. 12 midnight to 12 noon. Always will say beta AM. 12 noon to 12, midnight. Will say PM. अगर रात का 12 बजे that is always remember that is 12 midnight. उसके बाद जो 1 o'clock आता है that 1 o'clock at night that will say 1 a.m. Then रात का 2 will say 2 a.m. Right? That is the concept. And up to 11 morning will say 11 a.m. Then the day hour 12 will say beta 12 noon. And उसके बाद जो day hour का 1 आता है that is called 1 p.m. 2 p.m. up to 11 p.m. Okay. Then again the 12 is there. We'll say that is 12 midnight. Okay. So are you clear? Next, all of you see the clock's own time running late is 30 minutes. Okay. What is the actual time? All of you say the clock's own time is with a 1:40. And it is running late by 30 minutes means I need to add 30 minutes. यहाँ मैं आपको कुछ एडिशन सिखा दे रही हूँ बेटा, but थोड़ा practice चाहिए because in one class I'm trying to cover so many things. So all of you see what you have to do. You have to add this 40 minutes and 30 minutes beta 70 minutes. And this is 1. We cannot write this 170. कभी सुना है 170? Always remember when you are doing addition, in this place maximum you can put 59 minutes. When it becomes 60 minutes beta or more than 60 minutes, what you have to do? You have to convert that into hour. As it is 70 minutes, I can say beta 60 minutes plus 10 minutes. Or 70 minutes I can tell beta 1 hour 10 minutes. Yes or no? So I will keep 10 minutes here. And this 1 will go to our place. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. So it is 2 hours 10 minutes. Who is this? Live on camera with Pari. You don't instruct me. What should I do? It is my class. If you want to attend, please attend. Otherwise, you can leave the class. It's my request to all the students. I don't like this type of thing because I already told you, I want you should be clear about the concept. I cannot give you the question. Sorry. So if you want to leave the class, I don't mind, you can, but don't instruct me. Okay, so answer is, this is 210. So answer, this is 210. See, answer is 210. This is the simple concept that I told you, and why I explained you. In future also you will get this type of addition, and the normal addition is this, and the difficult addition also you will get. And other way round, आप कैसे कर सकते हो, थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के. All of you see, this is with a 1, 40. Another 10 minutes, another 20 minutes, if it is there, it can be with a 2 o'clock. अगर आप ऐसे वॉच को ले जाओगे क्लॉक को, another 20 minutes, so it is 2 o'clock, but late is with a 10 minutes, so you can say another 2 is 210. Directly you can give the answer, this is 210, but you should be comfortable in addition also. Okay, it is all about the addition. Don't be sorry, Pari, but exactly when I'm doing something, I'm very particular about the concept, and I am not teaching you for something like it's a free class. I really just want you should be clear about the concept. Once you are clear, I'm giving you a guarantee you can do n number of questions. In the time of question, you don't need Silva ma'am. So now next question. The clock shown below is running late by 20 minutes. Okay, so it is the same question. All of you see, it is a question you see. Another concept of question. Here it is the opposite one. The clock shown below is running fast by 20 minutes. Okay, so the clock, the actual time, it is what the actual time is showing. But now you see the clock. What time it is showing now? It is in between 1 and 2, right? It is in between 1 and 2, and it is at 20. So all of you see, it is 20. That means 2:20. So the clock is fast. Always remember, when it is fast, आप उसको क्या करोगे? Slow. That means you have to do the subtraction. You need the subtraction concept here. Or agar this is late, if the clock is late, you do the addition. ओके, अभी देखो 20 मिनट्स फास्ट हुआ है, उसको पीछे लो 20 मिनट्स. अगर इसको ऐसे पीछे ले लोगे, इट विल बी 2 o'clock. आंसर इज 2 o'clock. रिमेंबर दिस, व्हेन इट इज लेट, go for, you have to add. If it is fast, you have to subtract. Next, all of you do same question. The clock below is running fast by 25 minutes. Let us see, fast by 25 minutes means the clock showing time is 7:30 beta, and it is fast. Fast means how much time it is fast? 25 minutes fast. So do the minus. So it is 7:05 beta. It is 7:05. Answer is option number C. Very good. Okay, now all of you see, it is again showing, fast by 40 minutes. How to do this? It is 4:10. And again fast by 40 minutes. So what you have to do? 4:10 minus 40 minutes. How to do this, Vida? You cannot do 10 minus 40. So the 10 minutes minus 40 minutes, it is not possible. Why I'm explaining you? I can give you the direct answer. Why I'm explaining you? This addition and subtraction will help you a lot for future questions. So you should know how to do the, subtraction. So this 10 minutes, what this 10 minute will do? 10 minute will borrow 1 from this 4. And always remember, beta, this 4 is R. Because 4 is there in R place. This is 4 hours. So when this 10 minute is borrowing 1 from this 4, it is borrowing beta 1 hour. Yes or no? This 10 minute is borrowing 1 hour, not only 1. अगर 1 होता तो 10 plus 1 11 हो जाता. It is borrowing 1 hour. and we know this 1 hour is 60 minutes. तो already 10 minutes था, आके 60 minutes पहुंच गया. So it becomes what? 70 minutes. Now you can do the minus. 70 minus 40. It is with a 30 minutes. And this 4, it is now 3. So 330. Answer all of you check. This is 330. And मैंने आपको ये सब्ट्रैक्शन सिखाया. इसको आप डायरेक्टली कैसे करोगे बेटा? आप अगर बैक जाओगे 10 minutes. Now it is, this is 4 o'clock. थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ. 10 minutes बैक चले गए, बट इट इज 40 minutes फास्ट. और 30 minutes अगर बैक जाओगे, इट बिकम्स 330. बट उसके लिए थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना है. अदरवाइज यू कैन डू द माइनस. ओके, is that clear? So again I'm repeating beta, when it is fast, you have to do the minus. When it is late, you have to do the addition. So now the same concept is there. So I'm going to some theory questions. Okay, let's check some theory questions. Yes, all of you check the theory questions. This type of question you can expect in your Olympiad exam. See, Nevis left the school in the afternoon at the time shown in the clock. He waited 20 minutes for his van. He reached at home at 3 p.m. What was the duration of his journey? The duration of his journey. Okay. Now all of you see. Nevis left the school in the afternoon at the time shown in the clock. The time shown in the clock is 1:40. Afternoon means it is PM beta. Now you see, he waited 20 minutes for his van. Okay. उसने wait कितना किया? 20 minutes. So it is 140 plus 20. Now you see beta, this is 160. So we cannot say this is 60. 60 minutes will convert to 1 hour. So this is beta 2 p.m. you can say. This is 2 p.m. So when he boarded the bus, that is 2 p.m. And he started his journey. So he got the van at 2 p.m. All of you see. And he reached at 3 p.m. तो उसका journey time कितना हुआ बेटा? 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So answer is 1 hour. Okay. The answer is 1 hour. Very good. This type of question you can expect beta. Next question, question number 5. Snehanjali is telling you are very good and very nice. And sorry, आज मैंने थोड़ा गुस्सा किया, but please, why I told you? Because I want better, you should do better in the exam, right? कि कभी भी एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में क्वेश्चन पेपर पकड़ोगे ना, आप थोड़ा मुझे याद करोगे कि यस मैम ने थोड़ा हमें कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करवाया था, हमने क्वेश्चन कर लिया. Then in that time I will be very very happy beta. Okay, so now see, something we have planned for you means we want something better beta. वरना तो कुछ भी क्लास लेना, it is very easy. Now see, Brahmi finished her homework in the evening at the time shown in the clock. She waited for 35 minutes for the dinner and finished her dinner at 9:30. So now see, when Brahmi finished her homework, see 8:25. She waited for 35 minutes. So you have to add 35 minutes. Again, see beta, this is 8:60. 60 minutes, always remember beta, this is 9 p.m. So she finished her dinner at 9:30. So she took her dinner at 9 p.m. She finished her dinner at 9:30. What was the duration of her dinner? That is beta 30 minutes. Yes, thank you, Pritesh. So now, see. Pari, I thank you so much, beta. मुझे लगा आपको बुरा लगा, but Pari is telling me I love you so much, ma'am. Thank you, beta. Love you too. Yes, Pari, I want कि आप अच्छा करो. That's why actually मैंने थोड़ा सा गुस्सा किया. मैं जनरली गुस्सा नहीं करती हूँ. मैंने गुस्सा नहीं किया, मैं थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट हो गई, right? So now all of you see. वन इम्पोर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट, अगेन मैं हर एक क्लास में बोलती हूँ, यूट्यूब चैनल जिसने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया प्लीज कर दो, तो सारा नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास चला जाएगा। एंड वन मोर थिंग, आप लोगों ने एरिफिन किड्स का ऐप इंस्टॉल किया है, तो इसमें हम लोगों ने टेस्ट ऐप दिया है, एंड टेस्ट ऐप में बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस है, एंड द क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट सेम व्हाटएवर वी हैव गिवन इन द बुक। टेस्ट ऐप का एक प्लस पॉइंट है, चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन, एंड उसमें टाइम लिमिट दिया गया है। सो फॉर द प्रैक्टिस इट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग, बट यस यू हैव टू यूज मोबाइल और लैपटॉप, बट टाइम लिमिट लेके आप पूरा चैप्टर वाइज कंप्लीट करोगे, और इसमें पूरा मॉक टेस्ट दिया हुआ है, पूरा 35 क्वेश्चंस का मॉक टेस्ट, एंड इसमें 30 मिनट्स टाइम सेट हुआ है। और आप जब टेस्ट अपियर करोगे ना, once you will submit the test you will get, you can know what is your result, okay? So आपने कितना अटेम्प्ट किया है, कितना करेक्ट हुआ है, कितना रॉन्ग हुआ है, everything you can know. So please, possible as the fee is included, I'm not telling you for the fee, but as it is included you can think, but again it is useful, and you can get lots of questions. Okay, then another thing, we are going to start the special English class. We are going to start the English, means that the Olympiad English will be there, where we will complete all the school syllabus other than literature, complete grammar, vocabulary, written part, writing part, and reading part, everything, and the listening part. Everything will be included this in this English course, and we have sent the message. If you are interested, you can continue. Monthly, you will get 10 classes. एंड दीज क्लासेस विल बी इंटरेक्टिव क्लासेस। अभी जैसे आप मेरे साथ ओनली चैट में इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हो, वहां वी विल अनम्यूट एंड वी कैन टॉक टू यू। सेम आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द पेड बैच ऑफ मैथ्स, एंड दिस पेड बैच ऑफ इंग्लिश ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इन द कमिंग वीक। एंड मेरे ख्याल से मैंने एक ग्रुप का लिंक भेजा था, सपोज यू गॉट इट देन इट्स ओके, और अगर किसी को नहीं मिला है प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट मी फॉर दिस इन दिस नंबर। Okay, another 2 minutes are there, so please for the paid classes, and also we are going to start the spoken English. बच्चों के लिए बहुत जरूरी है अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करना, उसके लिए कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बहुत जरूरी है। सो दिस 3 courses are available: paid English class, paid maths class, and spoken English. Those who are interested, please call me, or any doubt you can ask me. So now all of you see the last question. Yes, teacher is Sila Singh. And also one of the new teacher is there, Sekhar sir. He will take the class. He is a very good teacher. You can take the demo class also. Now all of you see the given clock shows the time in the evening at which Amit starts and finishes his homework. So the start time, all of you see, this is 6:20. End time, the homework end time, it is 8:10. Okay. So what is the duration? But you can do like this: 8:10 minus 6:20. 2 methods I'm telling you. So 10 minutes minus 20 minutes, it is not possible. So 10 minutes will borrow again 1 hour. 1 hour means it is coming 60 minutes beta. So see, 60 minutes plus 10 minutes, it is 70 minutes. 70 minutes minus 20 minutes, it is 50 minutes beta, right? And now it 7 minus 1, this is 1. So the duration of homework is 1 hour 50 minutes. In this way you can do, or you can do like this, like it is 6:20 to 8:20. Rough calculation, the mental calculation, how can you do? 6:20 to 8:20, beta, it is 2 hours. Right? But it is not exactly 8:20, it is exactly 10 minutes less. So in 2 hours, 10 minutes less is 1 hour 50 minutes. In this way also you can do. So 1 hour 50 minutes. Okay, is that clear? I think मैंने आज बहुत पढ़ा दिया, बच्चे थोड़ा बोर भी होंगे. I have lots of question, but ज्यादा पढ़ाना भी बोर हो जाना है, right? So I'm not going to get bored, means I don't want that students should get bored with the classes. Chalo then, thank you so much, good night, thank you so much your patience. और थोड़ा गुस्सा किया इसलिए very very sorry. Next class मिलते हैं with the new chapter. Good night, जय जगन्नाथ. For the paid classes, please contact with me, and please, I will lots of good teacher, lots of good questions will be there, and good teacher will take the class. Thank you so much. Jai Jagannath.